Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can add a text to your Webflow site. So there is one way how we can do it right now is that when you would go to the left side on the plus here on the add elements, here you're gonna find typography, and here you have options to add a heading, text block, text link, a rich text, block quote, paragraph. So let's say I'm going to add a text block, so I will just grab it. And I have the columns prepared here, so I'll just paste it. In the moment when you're gonna have it, what I can do, I can, let's say, this is a text for this tutorial. And when you're gonna like mark it like this, you can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can make it like this, or even you can insert a link for the text. Then what you can do, you can wrap it with span, or you can clear formatting completely. So that's on right here. Now, when you would see here on the right side, here what we can find. So the first thing is that we're gonna have the margin that isn't working right now for this. Oh, it here right now is working. So I can increase or decrease the margin if I'm going to select it. This is the style selector. I can create component if I want to. So when we go further, I can go and change the width, the size here, but this is the most important thing, the typography. So you can change the font here, right? So I have like this one here. Then I can change the weight. Then I can change the size. So it's going to be 35. And then you're gonna have the color, so you can even change the color here. When you go further, you can center it to middle. Like my recommendation is wouldn't be like using the spacing here for the text. I would definitely recommend for the responsibility to like align it on the right side. So when you're gonna have also like alignment here, you're gonna have also the style, right? And then decoration that you can have strike through, underline, or overline. So that's how it works. Then you're gonna have more type options here, so you can have like letter spacing here. Text indent. See? Then you're gonna have capitalized, so you can have everything capitalized. Then like this, like the first word is going to be bigger, and then like this, everything small. Then you can have like direction and breaking. Then you can also wrap. I don't know what that does. And then you're gonna have the stroke. Like stroke is interesting, so let's say it's going to be 15. That's too much. And let's say I'm going to white color. Or black color. It's gonna be better. So you see right here, but when I'm going to change the color of the text to white, you see right now that we have pretty stroke. So then you can have also the text shadows. If you want to, you can add a shadow to your text in Webflow. And that's pretty much about the typography. Of course, when you come here, let's say, look at this, like this is the paragraph. This is the text label. So we would have like a standard text here. And then we were gonna have the text block. So if I'm going to copy, let's say I'm going to have like this section. And let's say that I'm going to have it with black color. And like this one there. And let's say that you want to add a text. So I would add, let's say, a container here or columns. And I'm going to add not block code, that's not what I wanted. Paragraph. And what you have to do now is to change the color. See, so when I would also add like a text here, and then you can start writing. So what you can do also, then center it, make it smaller. So this is like a container, then you have this in it. And you just have to play around with it, but this is how you're gonna do it. I hope I gave you a little bit of value. Like you can also add like even a rich text. And you can have like heading and everything with it. So when I'm going to come here and I'm going to add a rich text here. See? And then you're gonna have options to also add a block quote. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope I gave you a little bit of value. Have a great day. And goodbye.